My name is Madison Burke. For my GT project, I decided to blend two of my interests, puzzles and computer science. Over quarantine, I have been doing a lot of puzzle books. It has been my favorite pastime during this past year. Of the puzzles that I have been doing, my favorite has been Sudoku. I'm also interested in computer science. I thought that I could combine these two interests of mine to create an interactive Sudoku puzzle generator. My idea was for the user to enter in a few parameters and for the computer to randomly generate a puzzle accordingly. I started out using the block coding website Thunkable for my first prototype. However, as I continued working, I ran into numerous issues. The algorithm for checking the puzzle that I was writing needed to utilize a while loop with many ORs. This became very difficult as Thunkable was not built for loops like this. The website became slow and the program became very difficult to manage. Another problem I encountered was that the Sudoku puzzle was not generating properly. Instead of generating a complete puzzle when initialized and simply adding blanks afterwards, I would randomly generate individual numbers and I made sure that they did not match other specific places. However, in many cases, this led to the puzzle being unsolvable. For example, there must be a 6 in this space in the puzzle that the program generated. When the 6 is added here, we can tell that a 6 must also go in this space. However, there is already a 6 in this column, showing that the puzzle is unsolvable. I decided to try again, this time using Java. I decided that this would work better because I knew that it would be much easier and faster to write very long if conditions, and that it would be much more manageable. I also decided to generate the random numbers beforehand so that I would not run into the same issue as last time. This way, the puzzle will be correct before the blanks are added. I did some research on how many blanks are usually in Sudoku puzzles of different levels. Based on this information, I gave the user the option of 5 different levels: super easy with 65 numbers given, easy with 50 numbers given, medium with 30 numbers given, hard with 25 numbers given, and expert with 20 numbers given. In this section of the code, the user is asked what level they would prefer. The user types in the answer and the value is stored in the variable level. Here, the numbers for the puzzle are randomly generated. Each box of the Sudoku is assigned a letter or combination of letters to make naming and identifying areas of the puzzle easier. The while loop ensures that the numbers in a given row, column, or box of 9 do not match. Here, the puzzle is printed with the random numbers and the according number of blanks as previously indicated with the initial typed response. This section of the code displays a message after the puzzle is printed. It also includes the answer key that will be printed when the user types done. Once the user types in the corresponding level, a puzzle will be generated with that number of blanks and numbers given. The user can paste the puzzle into a text document such as Notes or Word and fill it out there. Once finished, the user can type done and the answer key will be printed. The user can then compare their answers to the key. In the future, a feature I would like to add to this program is an interactive aspect in which the user can type in their answers and the computer will check it. This would eliminate the need for the user to complete the puzzle in a separate application. Throughout this project, I have learned about the wide range of uses and applications for algorithms. Algorithms are everywhere and can be used to solve just about any problem. In the future, I would like to explore other ways that I can use algorithms and other problems that I can solve using computer science.